Hey, this is Yasko from Market Astrology and Horoscope, and this is daily predictions for August 17th to the 21st, and it's titled Great Deals Win. So back in June, Peter Navarro was asked about the China deal, which included soy and corn, and he had replied that the deal was over or not going through, and it did sound very frustrated. But I said, no, that deal is going through because I know Mercury was retrograding. So I said, I'm going to take a big chance and I'm going to say that this deal is going through. Well, the deal is going through because China is buying the soy and corn, or the deal has gone through. And the astrological chart was correct. So China has been having a lot of catastrophes. The Three Gorges Dam catastrophe causing flooding and destroying farmland and dislocating people. Hog catastrophe and hogs. And swarm of locusts destroying crops. It just goes on and on. And although communists do not like religion or old beliefs, there's been rumors of chanting that goes on in this certain province, and there's a temple in this province. And whenever, well, it's been a legend that whenever there's this chanting, it just signals that there's going to be a change in leadership. A new son of heaven will appear when calamities fall upon the land. I remember that from Chinese history. That is how dynasties were created and lost. So this is bad news, but also a good news for Robert Lighthouser, who negotiates deals for Uncle Sam. In the past with Japan and now with China, U.S. always seemed to be on top of important national matters. Second big win, which is really the biggest win for the U.S., is the UAE, the United Arab Emirates and Israel deal. This one is huge. Even Tom Friedman of New York Times used that word, huge. He's mimicking Donald Trump. It is timely for Prime Minister Netanyahu because people are demanding his removal from office. His popularity has been completely waned. This was a big deal for the president. The new moon brought us something to celebrate. So let's get started with the weekly predictions. Monday, the bulls have something to celebrate. For those expecting a bull run, this type of news puts the market on their side. The S&P is at its high. The morning session should be on the bullish side, but caution is needed going into the close. You may have to make a few unexpected changes. The markets are highly excited and looking for a dip. Tuesday, buying on dip is the objective. Everybody wants to dive in, and the bulls have already positioned themselves into the entertainment and even casino stocks, gold, and even other metals. The Fitechs look good because the trend is toward digital currency. Blockchains are a necessity for the US, or the US currency, to survive. This virus has allowed the revolution to occur. So, energy sector, retailers, rails, construction, fintechs, brokerages should be moving. Gold, gold, gold. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other alternative assets of kind. Take a good look at the energy sector. Don't underestimate this sector. Again, the underlying sentiment is bullish, with bears hoping for a dip. Wednesday, check out the health and even pet care sectors. Maybe there's another news that could move the healthcare sector. Biotechs have already made their moves, but maybe more can be squeezed out. I think this is a bullish day. Maybe the candidates, there's a Democratic convention going on. The candidates will express their some big promise or make some big promise or promises for the healthcare sector. Thursday, bullish day from the start. But be careful not to see things through rose-colored glasses. Traders are in and out in vigorous trading. Maybe biotechs are being sold. Just keep your eyes on the control. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open and control your greed. Friday is a kind of a correction day. Traders and managers could be switching into the healthcare sector and getting out of the entertainment, hospitality, casinos, and even biotech, even the eyewear sector. School stocks and even gold seems to have hit the limit. Somehow I can't talk right now because I am so tired. Um, and that's it for this week. Thank you, and I would appreciate your likes and dislikes and comments. Thank you again.